So the first thing we want to do is express 12 sine theta plus 5 cos theta in the form r sine theta plus alpha. Well, r sine theta plus alpha is r into sine theta cos alpha plus cos theta sine alpha, which is r cos alpha sine theta plus r sine alpha cos theta. So comparing with this, we have r cos alpha is equal to 12 and r sine alpha is equal to 5. On 12 and 5, we know the relationship there. That's going to imply that r is 13. It's just a 5, 12, 13 triangle. And then alpha is going to be the inverse tangent, so sine over cos, so of 5 over 12. And we want it degrees to 1 decimal place. So my calculator is in degrees, that's all good. So inverse tan of 5 over 12. So that's 22.6 degrees. So that's what we need. It's going to be 13 sine theta plus 22.6 degrees. So we now want to solve this equation for angles between 0 and 360. So just replace the left-hand side with what we've found, which is 13 sine theta plus 22.6 degrees. So that's going to be equal to 2.6, which will give me sine theta plus 22.6 degrees is 2.6 divided by 13. I think that's 0.2 actually. It is 0.2. So our principal value is going to be theta add 22.6 is going to be the inverse sine of 0.2, which is 11.5 degrees. Now I've got a problem there straight away in that if I just take 22.6 off each side, I'm not going to be in this correct range. So I'm going to have to pick out some solutions. So 11.5 is here. The secondary value will be 11.5. That one's going to be fine. But what I'm going to have to do is go all the way around and round another 11.5 so that it drops back into the right range. So theta plus 22.6 degrees is going to be, so we'll have 180, take away 11.5 as our first of those, 168.5. And then the other one's going to be 360, add 11.5, 371.5. And then, so theta, we're just going to take 22.6 off each. So 168.5, take away 22.6. So that's going to give me 145.9 degrees. And then the 371.5, take away 22.6. is 348.9 degrees. Now there's part C to this question. State the smallest value of this expression and the smallest positive angle for which that occurs. So we can rewrite it as this. Is it plus 22.6? Yep. Okay, so the smallest possible value of this is when the denominator is as big as possible. So if sine of theta plus 22.6 degrees is equal to -1, we are going to get 14 plus 13, 27. So it's going to be 5/27. That's the smallest possible value of it. Now, when will that occur? Well, that will occur when theta plus 22.6 degrees is equal to 270 degrees. That's the first time sine takes the value -1. So we're just going to do 270, take away 22.6, which is 247.4.